when you say the word should, you create an expectation for something, which then just totally makes your whole life miserable. But that's one of the other things that we've been taught to do. Like, how many of you have ever created an expectation for another human being? Okay, good. How many of you have created an expectation for another human being, comma, never told them about the expectation, comma, then when they don't fulfill the expectation that they know nothing about, comma, who are you upset at? How the F is that even real? But are you guys friends? I mean, you're like literally like attached to the whole conversation. But if you went to her, if you looked at her and told her to do something in her mind, in your mind, that she didn't know anything about, and then she didn't do it, how would you feel if she just stopped talking to you for a day? Right, exactly. And you literally you distance yourself from another human being because of this one stupid program that for whatever reason we've been taught, which is called an expectation. Are you just dying to tell me that it worked? Yeah. Okay. So I think she's like, I'm not listening anymore because even though the screen right here tells me that it worked, and it's totally okay. And so I need to tell you that something's happening, sir! Sir! Meanwhile, the glow of the screen hit me over here, and like all of a sudden I see everybody's eyes like sparkle like that, so it's okay. But now here's the thing. How great, he's got attention, but how great was that screen pattern interrupting you thought? Because no matter what we were talking about, your whole world would, and then your voice is going, Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching my videos. Ron Schwally here. Just wanted to say I appreciate you. Feel free to like, subscribe, and click on the bell if you want to see more videos coming your way to be alerted. Just thank you so much, and feel free to share this content with anybody who you think would find some value from this. Have an awesome, joyous, wonderful, breath-filled rest of your day.